decapitated head? Fuck me! That's the coolest thing ever! Ah! I almost hit a bird! Look out!
Hi, Rosalind!
Shit! Sorry, it's not my fault! This bus is fucked up! Rosalind! This is Nick! Wow, it's cool! What does the bottom of it look like? Can you see the spine sticking out? Yuck! Awesome! It makes me throw up!
Oh, yeah! Nice meeting you, too!
Ah! It talks! Ah! It scares me! And I love it!
Your family's kind of, energetic, huh?
Do you smell that? Ugh. Something fishy is going on.
No way. This is all totally normal.
Ah! The brakes aren't working! No! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, don't worry! I'm cool! I've got it all under control! Shit! Oh, fuckballs! I almost forgot! Happy birthday, Juliet! This doesn't seem right.
I guess we should follow that bus, huh?
Wow, Rosalind must have seen this on my Amazon wish list. Nick Popper! I can shoot your head with this.
What? Wow, this is the old abandoned farm. A little run down.
I love...
Whoa, old MacDonald has a farm. EI, we're gonna die.
Plant them crops. Cut the grass. It needs water.
And it's infested with zombies.
Pretty cool. I'm glad I just so happened to wear my zombie fighting underwear today.
What?
Sensei Morikawa said wearing cotton underwear with little teddy bears or hearts is best for doing battle. He'd make me wear them to every class.
I'm so creeped out right now.
What's this then? Shit, muffins! I can't get it to stop! Ah! They're attacking Rosalind's bus! These zombies are so ugly, I'm gagging! For real! Hey, retarded zombies! That's fucking rude! Wait! No! Ah! Why? This is awful, but hilarious! Oh no! I hope Rosalind's all right!
We better go help her, Juliet. This place is freaking me out.
Loving it.
My not heart is beating 1,000,000 miles an hour.
Cool! I had the
I
spotty.
always appreciated your rock hard butt,
stick me on
Juliet,
that
but
sucker.
it's kind of hurting the back of my skull.
Shut up, Nick. I know you're just being ironic because of my ginormous ass. Ugh. Awesome.
This is the most disgusting farm ever. Oh,
Yes!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Yeah!
9, 10. Nick, I bet you make me wet. Oh, Nick! Nick, go and fetch him. Pull his guts out from his back.
Yes!
Nick
Yeah!
says, we hear it. We
You
hear
ready?
it. Yeah. Nick.
And up you go, babe.
Hey, quit cupping a feel with your disgusto zombie hands. I don't want a finger falling off in my butt. Eat it up.
What the cows up to? How's the horses?
Ugh! Another lame-o bomber zombie.
I got hemorrhoids.
Oh, you're the fattest zombie I've ever seen. Oh, wait, sorry. I didn't mean to be insensitive. Die! Zombies taste like chainsaw death.
Hey, that dude seems a little too intimate with those chickens, if you know what I mean.
You mean he has sex with them? Vomit! Yum! Pretty cool.
Wow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What'd you say?
Yo, got this.
What? Everything up until now was kind of fun, but this is seriously creeping me out.
Aloha.
The memories of this place are gonna ruin the smell of cow shit for me forever. Now it's mine. Pretty cool. What does goo goo gajoob mean?
I think it means like, hey, what's up? Oh, man.
Looking good. Sweet.
Where's my dinner? Huh?
Chainsaw blaster.
Wow, I really hope your sister isn't dead.
Why are you saying that, Nick?
Sorry.
Hello, item. Awesome! God, I love shopping. There it is! There it is! There it is! There it is! Well, time to shop. Check this out. Let's go.
Where's the chicken?
Get off my farm!
Oh man, I was just thinking, I wish there were some flying zombies around here.
Why were you thinking that? They're trying to kill us.
I was being facetious.
Oh, I'll take care of them, Nick.
What happened to my legs?
I'm kind of having a cool thought. We could take a couple of zombies and then put them in a wrestling ring and make them fight to death and take bets.
That's inhumane, Nick.
Come on, it'd be funny.
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. You are never going to believe Rosalind bought a bus. Yes, you heard right, a bus. Why would anyone want it? What's wrong with that sister of yours?
Cool. Rosalind, get out of the bus, quick!
Quit trying to kill Rosalind, you jerks.
Get off my farm!
Chainsaw blaster! Finally, Rosalind, get out of the bus! Come on! Rosalind, where are you? Hello? Rosalind? Wait, are you still on the bus?
Wait, why is she driving? She's gonna knock your head off.
That would be so sweet. We'd match.
Rosalind, stop! Damn, that was close.